COVID-19 changed the world and forced the church online. Members and leaders alike are trying hard to learn how to effectively carry out the mission of our church. We needed a way to empower and equip the church to take the three angels' message to the ends of the world, even while we are online. With the right resources and by the power of the Holy Spirit, we could reach millions of people, even if we can't meet in person. But how do we do that? One way is by making video resources available on demand that will walk people through the foundation of starting an online ministry, giving tasks so the lesson is practical, then providing additional support. We at the Center for Online Evangelism are doing just that through our newly released Digital Evangelism program. The program has 4 short courses. Registrants can choose between YouTube, podcasting, online small groups, or blogging for ministry. This course teaches you how to blend the methods of Jesus Christ with digital evangelism strategies. Anyone can take it. No fancy equipment needed, no huge budget, just a time commitment and lots of prayer. We invested in this project because we believe that an empowered and equipped church becomes a mobilized church. Together, through the power of digital evangelism, we can still take the gospel to the ends of the world even while we are online.